Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Another beautiful day here after the storm, and I have another question for you. My question for you today is, do you visualize your goals? It is not about are you clear on your goals, because I've done videos about that already. So if you need help with that, go into my YouTube channel and check the other videos out. But today my question is specifically about visualizing. Because the mind does not make any distinction between the things that are actually happening, so reality, and the things that you imagine. So I've been doing this course called Vivid Vision. And it's all about vividly, and that means with all the lights, colors, smells, touches, people, like a complete movie, visualizing what your goal is. So for me, that means that every day I close my eyes and at the movie screen, that's the back of my eyelids, I play this movie of my desires, my goals, what I want my life to look like, what I visualize my perfect life to look like when everything I want is already there. Visualizing that is such a powerful tool for you to actually get the things that you want in life. And vivid visualization means that you add smells. So if you are in your perfect house, in your perfect location, what would it smell like to be there? For me, it would smell like the ocean, because my perfect place is next to the ocean. So I would smell the salty air. But I would also feel that in my hair, because your hair changes when you're around salty water, right? But also I can feel the sun shining like I have today, because my ideal life is in a place with lots of sunshine where I can be in nature as often as I need and as often as I want. So that is what I mean with vivid vision, vivid visualization of your goals. What would it look like if you reached your goals? Who would be there? What would they be wearing? What would they be saying to you? What conversations would you be having with them? What would it smell like? What would it sound like? What other sounds would be there? What would it feel like if you touched stuff? But also, what would it feel like to you? How would you feel as a person? Would you still be stressed or anxious or fearful? Or would you be laid back and relaxed and joyful and smiling? I hope it's the latter, because if your dream is like mine, then it will make you smile and it will make you want that in your life. And that's the way it should be. But make it like a movie. Make it like a movie that you can play on the movie screen that's the back of your eyelids every time you close your eyes. And the most powerful is when you do this in the morning, right after you wake up. And you do it in the evening, right before you fall asleep. So you will also take it with you in your dreams. That is why today, my question to you is, do you visualize your goals? I would love it if you would share it with me below this video so that we can have a discussion about it. If you have any questions, also either post it below this video or send me a message and let's have this talk. And for today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day.